Today is lesson 5.1, Algebra, Describe Patterns. The problem of the day is Juan and Karen are thinking of numbers between 10 and 20. Juan's number is a multiple of 4. Karen's number is a multiple of 5. Juan's number is greater than Karen's number. So let's look. We have numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 to choose from. We know that Juan and Karen's numbers are different, and we know that Juan's number is a multiple of 4. So it must be 4, 8, 12, 16, or 20. And Karen's number has to be 10, 15, or 20. So we know that it can't be 20 because both of them cannot be the same. And we know that Juan seems to be greater than Karen's, and so the answer is 16 because it can't be 11 because 11 is not a multiple of 4 or 5. The same thing for 12. We know that his number has to be a multiple of 4, so it has to be letter D. So for our problems of the day, we're looking at patterns. So here's a table of vases and flowers. So for every vase, we have to have 14 flowers. So now we need to find a pattern. So we have 2 vases, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we start with 14 because 14 flowers fits in 2 vases. So now what we need to do is we need to figure out how many would fit in 3. Well, let's ask ourselves, how many flowers would fit in 1 vase? Well, we know that half of 14 is 7, so that means in each vase there is 7 flowers. 2 vases, there's 14, and 3, we are going to be skip counting by 7. So it would be 14, and the next multiple would be 21. So this would be 21, then 28, and then 35. So we completed the table by using multiples of 7. Here is our next table. I want you to take a look at this. It is the number of spiders for the number of legs. So each spider has 8 legs. I want you to complete this table, write it on a Post-it, and make sure to turn it in at the end of this video.